Here we are today in GTA Toronto. We are showing you a commercial job here in the TD Towers. Whole main floors, 4,000 feet. This is actually one of the bathrooms. Typically what you see here is a nice Caligata tile. It is porcelain, not marble. It's a 24 by 24. It sort of looks like a book match, but it's not. So this is what we do for the past 32 years. Is service the GTA in the tile installation service. We dry pack all the floors. As you can see, everything is all nice and straight, nice and level. And then we go ahead and lay the tile. So we have some white edgings here on the tile. To match the tile, the Caligata. This actually is a suite tile. They come in 2 feet by 4 feet. They come in all different sizes. But this is actually a medium size. They come in 24 by 24 too. So what we have here now is we're entering the shower for handicaps. This is a no step here. A lot of people don't want to step in their homes or commercial, so we dry pack everything here to fit and set the heights to actually have the water go into the drain. We have some scaffolding here kind of in the way, but you can actually see where the drain is, and that's the way to go. So again, give us a call. We service the GTA 416-937-8115. We'll give you a quote estimate, give you some good ideas on any type of tile installations and advice that you need. Here, as you can see, we have a nice herringbone style, kind of a very meticulous tile. But you can see on the left side, in the corners, to the right, everything is equal. We centered the walls, so it looks pretty sharp, mirror image. And basically, same with the other wall here, herringbone again, nice and smooth. Again, as you can see, equal pieces on the left side, identical, mirror image on the right side. So it takes a little bit of measuring and so on, get things right, but at the end, the final results is amazing, just like this. Nice and straight, nice and level, durable, very strong. Installation is what you see, is what you're gonna get at your place. Any size type of tile, really. These are all 12 by 24s, but you know, 24 by 24s or bigger, 4 feet by 2 feet. We also did the lobby there, 4 feet by 8 feet. In this type of tile too. So again, anyone looking for professional installations in the GTA, Northeast, West, from the city, give us a call and we'll head on over to your place and start your project. Again, our phone number is 416-937-8115. Take care.